Everybody, Va.Railfan here, coming to you from Suffolk, Virginia. Looks like we got Amtrak 95 coming eastbound at you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, they put a speed restriction on that crossing.
It's coming in slow because of speed restrictions. As a crossing behind me, the gates go up and down by themselves. And it looks like we got 356 in the lead, everybody. Crossing right there, the gates keep going up and down by themselves. So they got speed restriction. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Amtrak 95 going eastbound through Suffolk. Thanks for watching. See you down the rail.